Hi there, this is Anila. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to be participating in this hop with some card makers from across the world. It's a monthly hop focusing on various techniques. For this month, the techniques are creative die cutting and dry embossing using dies. I'm creating 2 cards today using the dry embossing technique. Using Memento black ink, I will stamp a few flowers and leaves from this stamp set that I have linked in the description below on a watercolor paper. I will now color all the images using watercolors. I color them imprecisely and later fussy cut them. I will now create the embossed background on my card using this die by Spellbinders. Here I am securing all the pieces of this die together using a washi tape. Let us now prepare it for embossing. I sandwich the card in between the rubber embossing mat and the die, and further in between the 2 cutting plates. I will run this arrangement on tab 1 through the big shot. So here is the card with the design of the die embossed on it. I stamp the sentiment and arrange the flowers that we created earlier around it. I foam mount this panel on a card base and embellish the card with some sequins. I will have a quick run through of the making process of my second card. Here I use the nesting circle dies to create the embossed rainbow. I stamp the sentiment. I stamp the unicorn and color it with zig markers. fussy cut it and foam mount it over the embossed rainbow. I foam mount this panel on a card base and embellish the card with some sequins. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial with me. For any queries, please drop a message in the comment section below, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.